Hi y'all, welcome to Miss Jess Adventures. Today we are going to be doing, I gotta take a drink of my coffee. It's all hot because of my little cooker that I have. I just blew out the candle. So anyways, today we have a huge storm coming in. It's funny that Californians in the winter time, we think about, oh, we have huge storms coming in. I have to prepare myself for this storm when everybody else technically just like has like major storms like all through winter. I just got done doing my waters. Ooh, I think actually my water should be just getting done. Yes. And so what we're going to do today is I got that leak going on. Oh, I started in here because I wanted to discuss the leaks. I have a little leak up in this area right there, which is actually coming from, of course, this area. And then I have another, it's a teeny leak too. And then I have another one. Here you go. Let me show you. My cat's over there. Another one. Let's see. Right over there where Bassette's laying. That's Bassette. It's my, I think Mama Kitty's right there. And that's Mama Kitty Socrates, or baby socks. Never really talk about them. Socrates came and found me during COVID. I was all by myself. I didn't have Chaps either because he was with my daughter. And then she had Bassette. That's her baby. So out of her first litter, we're still organizing, and we had a pole. Not much mold. I'm pretty much on top of it. There is some on that wall right there. So I need to get back there. Not really where Bassett is. It's on the other side now. Not where the leak is. It's probably just from like the moisture going on. And that's another thing about motorhomes is they moisture. Not as much in the winter, I mean the summertime, but in the wintertime, because you're using like propane a lot. Propane is a very moist gas, so it causes like a moisture everywhere. So you have to kind of stay on top of, it's part of living in a motorhome, is that you have to just stay on top of like your mold, leaks, moisture in the air. I use a AC mostly, and I'm going to be getting a window one. I'm going to be putting it right there instead of using my big boy over here, because I want to get in a 6,000 BTUs, and that is supposedly can be done with a solar. So I want to see how that works, how much battery power I need to, to run it all day. And will it be enough for this place, especially if I have it like on lockdown. I make all the curtains go down, everything. My water should be done. Get these little regulators that are really good in this filter. So you can get these little teeny regulators right here. You get the other kind too that you like manually adjust, but these ones will help for city pressure. And also here too, because this has so much pressure on it, I wanted to use it, especially because he only goes 100, to 41 to 50 PSIs go through here. So, and then I have this nice filter on, I think everybody should have on their water supply if you don't have like a really nice filter, and eventually we'll hook it up to my motorhome. Just worry about that because I don't want there to be a flood in my motorhome. Okay, so today we are going, and then we're also going to be fixing that leak I showed you on the top cab. I'll show you on the outside what's going on. So right up in this area right there, and actually I figured it out. It's the window. Whoops, I can't do my thing. It's the window right there. Whoops, it keeps going like that. So I'm gonna put some tape on that. I'm gonna go right on the outside of here and put some tape actually right there. I have to like, look. And what we're gonna be using is this stuff. So we're kind of doing like a review on this stuff instead of flex tape. This is the Gorilla one. So let's go ahead and open her up. Well, it's really sticky, I already know that, because I was trying to take it off earlier and it's like this. I wanted to actually put this part of the video. Get that off. But see, yeah, it's real sticky. I don't know how I'm gonna get it off. It's gonna be interesting. And do I want to get it off before I get on the roof, or do I want to just get it off on the roof? Planning just to throw this up there, so. Well, not really, I don't want it to hit anything. So let's go on up. I like taking guys up with me. Okay, let's do this. What if I need scissors with this stuff to cut it? Probably not gonna be able to use my teeth, huh? Shit, I gotta take scissors then up with me. Up to the roof. Great. I need to do my black tank. Might as well do my gray water too afterwards. I am seriously multitasking right now. You guys are doing the storage door. Okay, so we're just gonna pull it. Ugh. You can hear the water coming out now. Okay, there we go. That was really hard. If someone knows how to make that not so hard for me, like do I put some WD-40 on the thing? I'm just worried about it. My leaks that I had that I repaired are doing great. All right. The ducky, look at him. Just cleaned out his water. He likes the dirty water. He doesn't really like the clean water. I need to get him, I'm actually thinking about giving him this. I need help getting all that water out because it's just a lot of water. It's a 70 gallon. It's making so much noise and playing with that mud water. Okay, so this is done now. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna open my gray water, and I learned this from YouTube actually. I didn't do this for a long time. I used to actually clean it out with a hose, and now I just do my gray water into my black tank after the black tank's been drained. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, there she goes. And so it's going through here also at the same time, the septic line in, but it's also cleaning out that area. So, you know, the black tank. And then what I use is Dawn and Dawn soap, because it has the enzyme in it. It's one of the only dish soaps that has an enzyme in it to be able to take away the smell. And then also vinegar, a little bit of white wine vinegar. Just a little bit though, I don't use it. I used to, and then sometimes if I'm going to do a major cleaning with it, I'll put some baking soda in with it. So those two can, all three can just work together. And it does a trick. I don't need to use chemicals. I don't need to do any of that. Okay, let's go on the roof. All right, got my scissors. We got the duct tape. Doing something with the tractor. Okay. All right, here we go. So when I do it like this, I have to do this one-handed. So, and of course I have to do it on my bad arm. It's always so hard. Don't know how to do this. Okay, wait, actually, maybe we can do like that. So I'm like doing like this with the camera tripod in the other hand. Okay, here we go. So, cannot be good filming. The more real, the more raw, the better, right? Sometimes older generation really can't take it. It makes them dizzy. All right, you're up here with me. You're up here with me. It's glorious, isn't it? Glorious day. My panels need to be cleaned. Oh, it's really cracked now. I don't remember being that cracked. I wonder if I should put some crazy glue on it right here. It's getting water in it, but I don't know. I think it still works. That blue light still shines. That's what's important. These Harpa frames are pretty much... where's this leak? Look at somewhere around here. Oh, no, it's not. It's like over here. So I really can't find any like leak areas except for a seam. So I'm thinking the seam has to be like kind of seeping in. Because I do notice the caulking is a little bit coming off of it. So, because other places I'll show you. I'm guessing it's this area right there. See like this little seam area right there. Because this whole area looks good. I don't see anything wrong with it. Ah, Joyce. Okay, I don't know if you can see me. There we go. And now I'm going to try to do this. Okay, just sit somewhere properly. I think I'm still wearing sweatpants. And I'm actually hot though, in Uggs. But it's all going to change with the weather. Oh my God, how do you get this stuff off? See, why would... I don't know if this is Amazon packaging. And they don't probably have packaging on it or something. I was wondering that. I'm like, is this part of Amazon right here? Ugh. Oh, I smell something. That was my septic. I ain't gonna shut it. I don't leave it open either. because then you get the septic lines coming into your house or your motorhome. So I'm thinking that this is something that Amazon put on it, you know, or the company that was selling it. And this is what, of course, Gorilla puts on it, which works. And you would think that would be on both sides. That would be better. Anyways, me complaining. I undo it. Okay, so it's going to tell me it could be full pool liner. Use it for your roof, your gutters. Works indoor, outdoors, permanent bond. It's black. Instant seal, water, air, and moisture. 10-foot roll. Stuff is kind of expensive too. Okay, so how do you do this now? This is the scowy pot. Oh, I can smell that septic every once in a while. I want to get this done. I wonder if I should keep this to be able to, I wonder if I need it. But right now I need it for the trash. I think you can see me. Okay. Oh, weird. Oh God, weird. So the first layer doesn't have like a little bit right here. Oh, what? What's going on? Oh, maybe you undo it and then you take part of it off or something? Must. But it's not sticky. Okay, this is interesting stuff. I brought my scissors. I'm first going to do that one little area. So I'm guessing. I guess I didn't read the instructions. Guess I'll read it if I have to. This is not the easiest, and I'm really good with my fingers. Okay, I'm gonna take that off. You don't need to read the instructions. Unless you're one of those type of people. So here we go. Oh, it's definitely this area. I can see the little crack. Oh, it's dirt. I need to get up here with a hose and clean it this summer. Okay. Oh, it's definitely this. Yay, found it. I might add a little bit though onto the awning. Just a little bit. I think this will definitely do the job. Very, very sealant. I'll put heat on it, so because adhesive works better with heat. One little area. Of course, I'll show you. I have these bumps. Oh, these could be causing it too. We'll see. We'll do one at a time. I don't see anything really weird except that, but that's caulking. That's what I just did. This is the other little area I was just talking about, but I don't think that crack was fully exposed. Okay, next is the window. All right, let's do the window. And that other leak that I did is still holding. It's just, oh, I can smell my septic. I'm gonna go down and plug it up. It stinks. Okay, next is this part. I'm not gonna be able, of course, have the camera over here. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, so see how this held really good. This is great, actually. But what I realized is this window is causing the leak. It seeps in through the window, probably all the way down to there, but I'm gonna do like this little area. I don't know if you can see it, but teeny crack there still. That whole area is sealed, so it's gotta be somewhere on this window. I knew last time I could push on it, so we'll see. I'm not gonna be able to record though like this, no way. I will try my hardest like this. Oh, it's warm out here. Oh, I have two stuff on. That's right. gonna be kind of cold. It's not at all. Might be a really warm storm. I think I'm gonna do this different. I'm gonna like do it lengthwise. Hey, nice new addition. Oh no, it's the window. It's been doing weird stuff since a big storm a couple years ago. But I got it fixed, but I'm using seal tape. Flex tape, like? Have you ever used it?
What's that?
It's called seal tape. Reba.
I've used seal tape before, but I don't know about that.
I'm using it for the window. I think it'll work. Ah. Company now. So now I'm going to do it lengthwise like that. Just like duct tape, man. Like industrial duct tape. Okay. There we go. I'm going to use it on the area that I first did. Just have extra. I think this is too long for the one I want to do. Hi. My kitty's looking at me. Here anymore. Kitty cat was staring at me. See her eyes. So then you just take the edge off, which is really hard. Not easy. I'm gonna do it just like I do for my KT tape, I think. That'd be the best idea. Just take like an edge, measure it. Start from the top. Okay, what do you think? You tell me. I think it turned out pretty darn nice. So here it is. This is from before, from the huge hole. If you go back, I'll put a little link over here or there. And then this is the new flex tape, because I think the new leak is coming from this area. And that's where I've seen the dripping. And then this was on top of the other one just to make sure. And then later on, I'm gonna get a ladder and do the bottom part this year. And I wanna do the whole top of it this year. Like, you know, this year, I mean by this spring. I'll go back up here and I'm gonna do everything. My maintenance of the year. So this is just temporary. I think I'll put the rest of this little teeny bit onto that one that I was a little worried about. So for this stuff, it's permanent, so gotta be careful with it. So for I know like someone else did like flex tape all the way along their whole roof of there, and it worked really good. Instead of like recaulking those like little hole, like you see each one of those, boom, boom, boom. Instead they ran a whole thing of this tape. This is expensive, but you can cut it in half, like I did. Huh. Okay, back down. Best I cannot. I threw everything else down except for my camera, because I think that's a little bit safer, right? I don't like carrying down scissors. Whew. All right, we did it. Still haven't done the plunge. I really need to clean it or get a different tank, I think. Decisions. I have been taking cold showers. I mean, at the end of my shower, I've been putting it on cold and it actually feels great. I always decided not to do that little piece. I guess we'll find out if that leak's coming from that area or if it's coming from where I just fixed. Instead, I kind of like doing that, like, okay, let's fix one and then not the other. And in the springtime, I'll fix everything. I try to do it in spring and not summer, because summer gets too hot. Spring is beautiful here. And then fall's too late. Okay, sometimes, though, it's nice to see what's going to come off in the summer. But, because maybe you'll get something off that you wanted off that didn't come off for you, but will come for the sun, come off. All right, that's a peace out. Talk to you guys later.